guys, I am Shreesh. As it is well known that COVID-19 coronavirus is spreading everywhere. The entire world is suffering from the coverage of coronavirus. So everywhere it is lockdown. People are not coming out of their houses. This is the situation. One has to stay at the residence. That is good. Let us start the first chapter of physics of your class 7th. Science is a very interesting subject, and the branch of science, physics, we will start here, and the name of the chapter is motion and time. First of all, let us understand what is motion. When any object covers a particular distance and a particular time, it is called motion. जब कोई एक वस्तु किसी एक निश्चित समय अंतराल में एक निश्चित दूरी तय करती है, उसे मोशन कहते हैं, गति कहते हैं. Motion. There are different types of motion. First is rectilinear motion. Motion in a straight line. जब कभी भी किसी वस्तु की गति एक सीधी रेखा में होती है, उसे रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन कहते हैं. Such as the movement of a train. A parade, army parade. These are some examples of rectilinear motion. Another one is circular motion. A round path having the shape of a circle is called circular motion. When a particular object moves on a circle, जब कोई वस्तु एक वृत्ताकार स्थिति में अपनी स्थिति को बदलती रहती है, उसे सर्कुलर मोशन कहते हैं. Such as the cyclist moves pedals, that is circular motion. Third one is rotational motion. When any object moves around its axis is called rotational motion. Sun is on the axis and the earth is moving around us. That is rotational motion. The motion of the blades of a fan, an example of rotational motion. The last one is periodic motion. The motion which repeats itself after a regular interval of time is called periodic motion. For an example, the bob of a wall watch. This is example. Motion of a hammer in an electric bell, that is also called a periodic motion. Now, slow and fast moving objects. When a boy goes to the school by bicycle, he covers the distance in 20 minutes. But when he goes by a bus, he reaches to the school within 4 or 5 minutes. It means when he moves on bicycle, the more time is required. that is example of slow motion. And when he goes by bus, takes a little time, fast motion. Now, another topic is speed. What is speed? Let us understand. When any object covers a particular distance in a particular time is called speed. Total distance covered in a particular total time is called average speed. It means the formula of speed is distance upon time. The unit of speed, that may be kilometer per hour, or that is meter per minute, meters per second, or sometimes if speed is too high, very high, then kilometer per second. For an example, when supersonic jets move, the speed is so high, then we measure the speed into kilometers per second. One more thing, there are two types of meter, speedometer and odometer. Speedometer usually given on the dashboard of the cars, bike और अदर व्हीकल्स. एक ऐसा यंत्र जो किसी गाड़ी की, मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट की स्पीड को नापने का काम करता है, उसको स्पीडोमीटर कहते हैं. द मीटर which is being used to measure the speed is called speedometer. And another one is odometer. Odometer is being used to measure the distance covered from a particular place. That is called odometer. किसी एक स्थान से किसी एक स्थान तक तय की गई दूरी को नापने के लिए जो यंत्र इस्तेमाल होता है उसे odometer कहते हैं. Now we will cover some other points. By the meantime, take care of yourself. Have a nice day.